Good day everyone. So in today's lesson, I'm just going to show you how you can go check for the system type of your computer. So the first method will be to go to our start button here in Windows 10. Then right click on that, and then it will show you a menu of options here, and just go to system. So from there, you would see that we are here in the about section. So we have the display, sound, notifications. So we go down here in the about section and it will show you the device specification of your computer. So mine has a 64-bit operating system. This is very useful, especially if you're going to be installing certain softwares for your Windows operating system. You need to be checking the system type, so at least you will know the compatible version of the software that you will be installing. So another way on how we can do this is to press on the Windows command button or the Windows button on your keyboard plus the pause break button on your keyboard. So once you press on that, you would see that it will open up the system control panel here, or system Windows dialog box, that will show you again the system specifications of your device. So we have here as the system type 64-bit operating system x64. Another way to go and check for your system type would be to type control panel inside of your search box, then look for the system um, option here. Click on that and you would see that it will open up the Windows dialog box for the device specification. So another way, guys, will be to open up the start button and then choose the settings command button here, then click on that and then look for system and then look for the about section. So those are some of the quick options that you can go for checking out the device specification of your Windows 10 operating system.